Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And I am getting ready to show you the painting from my two videos ago. So this one was the white, the Titan buff light background with the pinks. So that video, if you don't remember, take a look at this picture right here. That is how it was previously to what I did. So if you look at the red part of it, the colors kind of got muted. They sunk. They got eaten up by that color. So what I did was I waited for the painting to dry. I made a mixture of only Floetrol and water. And I used that to flood that red color again. So just the base where the red was, I flooded that again to help my colors flow. So I did a second blowout just in that section so that I can get my colors to come down to the bottom and dry on top of that red. And if you don't get what I'm saying, you'll see it now when I show you the painting. It was awesome. I am so happy that I used that kind of technique to get those colors on the top of the area that had no flow. So I'm going to show you now how it looks. It's still drying, but you'll see the difference now when I show you the painting now, as opposed to when I initially blew out the flow of colors on the top. And I think if that happens to you, that is the solution. You can just do a pour on top of the already dried area, and it worked for me. I'm sure it's gonna work for you. So you're welcome. I did the work there. So anyway, let me show you and you'll see what I mean. So this is the color, the painting, and you see it's still wet, but look at this. You see the addition of colors? I did this entire flow right here, this section right here. And now I have colors right on top. Look at that. And it works perfectly in sync with everything else that was already dried here at the top. And I'm touching it so you can see. And then you can see the shine of the wet area right in here. So that is how I was able to add and finish this off. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me if this works for you. So there you have that. Okay, so just tips and tricks to help us all create. For today, I don't know what color palette I'm using. I am debating. Someone asked me, how do I choose my colors? So all I do is I walk to my shelf or the bottom where I have my jars. On this shelf at the bottom, you see my paints there. And I just pick out 3 colors. And then from those 3 colors, I choose what colors I can just layer on the top. And I just try it out. No rhyme, no reason. I am thinking I want to do green, yellow, and maybe orange. They're complementary colors. I think they will look great together. So let me see. So if we do green, yellow, so this is how I just randomly choose my colors. So I chose these 3 colors. And maybe that works. Except for the Chartreuse is pearl, so I don't want to use a pearl base. I try not to use pearl colors or metallic colors for my base. I don't like how they dry. But look at the colors. I think they look pretty together. Tell me what you think. Or, I'm looking at it. This is very bright. We might want to do a darker one just for I don't know. Let's see. What if we do? Maybe. You see, I'm all over the place now. So what if I did this two colors? Look at that. And orange. Oh, I like that. See? So this is for you. You asked the question, I'm answering. So look at these three colors. I like this. Tell me what you think. I think I like this. I like this. And then I can have, since I have these, maybe my flow on the top. I don't know. I got to continue working on that. But I think this works. We'll try this and then we'll go from there. So I have Yellowish Green by Amsterdam, Permanent Green Light by Amsterdam, Azo Orange by Amsterdam. And I think that's going to be my next triple color split base for today. So let me get to mixing these colors because I don't have base paint for these colors. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe, I don't know if I have enough in the bottles. Maybe not the Azo Orange. So let me get to mixing and we'll be back. We are going to be working again on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And tell me what you think about the tips and tricks that I just left for you here, that I dropped on my channel, and about just choosing my colors for my base paints and then my top. Without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are, and we're working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas once again. I showed you the colors. I told you I was going to go in the realm of greens. So I have my Permanent Green Light by Amsterdam, my Yellowish Green by Amsterdam, and my Azo Orange. I showed you this previously. Look how gorgeous those colors look. Okay, that's what we're going to go ahead and begin. I'm going to flood the canvas. I have the green mixed in this cup here. So we're going to go ahead and start. So I'm just going to use the squeeze bottle just to layer the line. Let me think about it. Colors. Now I am gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna layer our flow on top. We're starting with Pearl Sapphire Blue by Arteza. I'm a little nervous about the sapphire, but we're gonna go ahead and do it anyway because that's what we do. We do it anyway. I love the base color combination. Tell me how many of you like that color palette. Now we're doing Cream by Arteza. Not Pearl, but just Cream by Arteza. Next I have Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza. Okay. Next, I have 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Forgive my glare of my ring light at the top. Okay. This color is a color I mixed previously. I don't know. I think it was like it was a Peville with something. I don't know what it was, but I'm layering this at the top. There was something in there. Yeah. Okay. And last, I have Pearl Lime Green by Arteza. We'll see how this turns out. Okay, so those are my colors. We're gonna go ahead, torch it out one more time. And we're gonna blow it out. Was kind of a quick blow up, but I am super happy with how this looks. I'll bring this in a bit. Not a lot to be done. Oh, I love this here. Okay. Okay, so there's nothing else I want to do here. I do love what's going on. I'm going to torch it out a bit. Love the color combination. Yeah, I'm super happy. Wait till you see this one. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and take a look at this beauty. I love the colorful. The base just brings out so much color. Look at this petal. Just an explosion of cells. Take a look at that, and look at the shine. Wow, beautiful. So we're gonna start branching up to the top. Love that stream of cream. Love that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that blanket of the 24 karat gold. I love that hint of blue at the top there. And I was trying to prevent the blue, the green, the orange and the blue from mixing because I didn't want a lot of green. And that worked out by putting down that cream in between there. You can see here you got some green at the edge. That's because of the colors that mixed. But look at this. This is my favorite part right here. Look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful cells. And then look at this. Check this out. Look at this beauty. Look at these cells here. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you guys think about this. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this color palette. And that is how random I pick out my colors and just, you know, test it out. And I think they work. Tell me if you guys like it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.